Antenna Mounting Solutions by RAKwireless. The outdoor solution. In this video, we'll be mounting the antenna outdoors on the tower or pole with any of the outdoor Wastegate products. This is made possible by using the RAK9731 pulsar cable. The pulsar cable is a high-grade, low-loss cable suitable for outdoor applications. This cable allows you to better position the gateway's antennas for optimal coverage. Cable length options are 1.5, 3, 5, and 10 meters. For this solution, the first step is to mount the lightning arrestor to your selected outdoor Wastegate product. Then connect the N-type AL plug to the lightning arrestor. Now with the AFix bracket kit, you can easily install and optimally position your antennas for any use case scenario to ensure the best coverage possible. Place the fiberglass antenna on the AFix bracket. Mount the AFix bracket kit to the top of the pole or tower. Then connect the N-type female jack to the antenna. And you're good to go. The outdoor solution. Get your antenna mounting accessories now. Only at store.rakwireless.com. IoT made easy with RAK Wireless.